This is Heather Zeitzwolfe, and I am talking about Notion and their new AI thing that they have rolled out. This is super exciting because AI is freaky, and you think about Terminator and like the robots taking over, or whatever. But from a stance of how can we use this in a good way? We're not doing evil things. We want to make sure that we are taking advantage of this stuff so that we can use it as a tool to help us with our creative process. I'm an accountant, I am a business mentor, and when things change in business like this AI stuff, I got to pay attention and embrace it because it's the future and it's here. So, Notion. I am a huge fan of Notion. You may have heard me talk about this program. It's very inexpensive and it's super powerful. They call it a wiki, but it does so much more as databases. You can embed a database inside of a database, and there's calendars, and there's so many things you can do with this program. It's unbelievable. Now they've added an AI feature. So this AI feature is not rolled out to everybody. I was like a early adopter. I was like, please put me on the list. If you did get an email from Notion and you were like, yes, put me on that list, now you can activate it. Make sure that you go to the email that you received, and there's a little button in the settings where you have to say turn on the AI. So if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to utilize the AI function. What do I got right here? I just went through my Notion files and just found something that was just an old thing that, seriously, I don't even know if I wrote this. Like, I don't even remember. It says, welcome to the Creative Cash podcast. Maybe this was an idea I had a long time ago. I really don't know. Or maybe this is a transcript from something. I don't know. So if it's yours, hey, I'm not stealing it. I'm just showing this on the screen. So I had some ideas for videos that you can see here. How to start a profitable business from scratch. How to make your existing business more profitable. Sounds like good topics to me. So I'm going to use this AI feature and see what happens. So this is spontaneous. I have no idea what's going to happen with this. We're doing it live. All right. Not sure if you know that reference, but okay. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go down here. Oh, I had some, I really, again, I don't know what all of this stuff was. This is just an old Notion page that I had. So see how it says here, press space for AI. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to press the space. Why isn't this working? Okay, here we go. So AI. Ask AI to write. Oh, isn't this interesting? Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And then I copied that phrase up above. I'm going to, boom, put it in like that. How to start a profitable business from scratch. Let's see what the AI does. Now, this is not like Chat GPT. This is different. I don't have access to that because they got overloaded, and this is what I have access to. And so we're just learning this stuff as we go. All right, so here we go. So I clicked on that. Ooh, okay. So starting business from scratch can be a daunting task, but and I think what it's also doing, and I'm not 100% sure, is I think it might be taking some other things that I have on this page. It feels like it because some of the information in here seems like it ties back to other stuff that I have on the page. So I'm not exactly sure. If the folks at Notion want to let me know what is going on here, I would love that. Hashtag Notion. Okay, so then it says continue writing, make longer. All right, so let's just say make longer. What does it do? It starts over so that it's a cohesive thing, I guess. Let's just move me around here. Okay. And okay, still talking about the SEO. Once your business is registered, it's time to start marketing, create a website, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what I had up above here, and does it tie into things that I was talking about is the question. I'm not really sure. Okay, so maybe it was just making up stuff. Okay, so now here's another thing that you can do is, okay, how to make your existing business more profitable. Let's just take, oops, what just happened there? Okay. Pricing methods. Okay, let's just take that one. I'm just going to ask AI. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, so let's ask AI. Oh, okay, improve my writing, make shorter, change the tone. So it's got a bunch of little things in here. Translate, explain this, find action item. I don't know what that is, so let's just click on that, and I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, look at that. Pricing methods. Develop a pricing strategy for video branding. Now, it's talking about video branding because I was talking about video in this. So that's probably the AI is looking at what I had prior on the page. Okay, that's cool. Okay, cancel. Okay, I like that. Okay. Okay, obviously I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. Oh, okay, so now it put it up there. Interesting. Okay. I'm not sure if I really want it to be doing all that. Okay, so next, let's do okay. Develop pricing strategies for your business. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Okay, now I'm going to go down here and it says space for AI. Let's just hit in space. Oh, here we go. Oh, I was hitting the return button. Okay, I've only been using computers since the 90s. Okay, find action item. Okay, so I'm going to put in that. And then what are the options here? Let's see. Oops. Oh, I just hit it and then now it's going. Okay. Okay, it's writing all this stuff. Okay, we will finally consider the payment terms you will offer. Okay, this is all good stuff. Okay, so now close that. Now let's see if we can do something else. Okay, now that I know what the space bar is, summarize. Let's see. I could have sworn I saw something that was, oh yeah, here, blog post. Okay, social media post. Let's do a social media post. Okay, what do you want to write? Okay, let's do the same topic and see what happens. Oh, look, it gives me a title even. Okay, how to develop a pricing strategy. Oh, okay, this is pretty cool. Oh, and it gives me hashtags. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so now, okay, I like that. Okay, so now let's go down another one and let's hit that. And now let's try doing, so that was a social media post. Now I want to do a blog. Oh, let's do brainstorm ideas. Ooh, this is great. This is cool, isn't it? Okay, so here we go. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not even thinking about Terminator at this point. I'm thinking like, wow, these are all really fun, exciting things to post about. Okay, so now let's just try another one. Let's do, okay, so that was brainstorm ideas. Now, I think was that outline or brainstorm ideas. Okay, I'll have to go back and look. I'm just getting so excited here. An essay, see more. Oh my God, look at this. To-do list, meeting it. Oh my God, pros and cons. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so what the pros? Okay, developing a pricing strategy. See what it says. It has cons on there too. Oh, look at that. Okay, this video is getting a little bit long, so I am going to stop the. You know what? Let's not. Let's keep going. Let's see what else it can do. This is really exciting. Okay, so we're utilizing the same topic, and let's see. Now, I use Grammarly for the grammar stuff, so I think just, oh, look, change tones. Oh my God, so that's like Grammarly too. So let's just say friendly. Let's change it to friendly. And now it's saying, oh my God. So this, I didn't even, okay, so I didn't type in anything. This is just taking what I had above and it turned it into a friendly. It's taking the entire page and making it friendly. Oh my God, look at this. This is crazy town. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. It just took the entire page. So just know that if you are in Notion, that if you write a page, that you can have it rewritten. So this is great because I've got all kinds of ideas that I've put in here. It's taking the whole thing and doing it over. This is blowing my mind. Is it blowing your mind? It's blowing my mind. Okay, if you don't have access to Chat GPT or Google's coming out with one, I'm not exactly sure what the name of it is. I've heard like different things. I don't think it's come out yet. But so if you are a Notion user like myself, hopefully you said, hey, I want to be part of this trial. And maybe they've rolled it out entirely. I really don't know yet. But this is really freaking cool. It's blowing my mind. All right. So let me know if you try this out, what you think. If you're a Notion user, let me know. If you've never used Notion before, oh my God, hit me up. Let's talk. Maybe I will do a workshop on Notion soon if people are interested in that because it's such a powerful tool. Okay. All right. Ciao. See you on the flip side.